Hi, my name is Dhwani. I'm from the UK. I'm 27 years old. I decided to take on a YTT program because I felt that my yoga was lacking authenticity, and I wanted to dive deeper into the meaning of yoga. And that's where I came across One Yoga Thailand. And just even from the website, I found it was everything that I was looking for in terms of the teaching, the teachers, philosophy, learning parts of the body. And my experience here has been really amazing. The location is fabulous. I found that the teachers really walk their talk, so they practice what they preach. So it's not just that you've come here for a month and then you go away thinking, how do I integrate this into my life? So I feel that for anybody who's looking for a real authentic experience and wants to also visit Thailand, this is a great place. It's secluded from the busy parts of Koh Phangan as well, so you'll get that real Zen feeling as well.